Dude, look at this. Hopefully we don't cut no wires. Oops, wrong one.
Oh, it's got zip lines. What's on my beauties?
Caller that called the police. She's getting to where now she don't have to wear her dark sunglasses as much as she used to because of it.
What is up, my beardies? Welcome back. We are here. They finally showed up today. We got the Heybike Villains. They finally showed it, and I am excited. Let's get these bad boys opened up. And by the way, we got two of them. There's one here. We got the other one right here. So join us while we put these bad boys together. Let's tear into it. Oh. Oh snaps! Oh snaps! Well, let me tell you, these things got some damn weight. Alright, what do we got here? Hey honey! You wanna come hither? Alright. So let's see, we got a bag. Here. Sounds like that might be the charger there. Set that there. Foot pegs. Oh, look, there's the keys. Sweet. Check it out. Awful light charger there. Oh look, that's just like the Razor chargers. Let's see, front fender looks like. What is this? Back fender. Front plate number. Sweet. Dude, look at this. Look at this. You just look at it. Might have to grab. Oh shit! Oh, oh, that's two. Holy cow! Sheesh, brother. This is dang, man, that thing. Dude, that is sweet. No, I'm not really a yellow fan, but I kind of dig this yellow, though. I don't know. Skizzers. Need them skizzers. What am I cutting? I don't know what I'm cutting, guys. Hopefully we don't cut no wires. Oops, wrong one. Oops, wrong one. Ah, shit. Just being a smart ass and snap. That's what you get. Stupid. It's alright. This one here is hers that we're putting together. We'll save mine for last. Wow.
Cutting that out.
I kind of like the yellow.
I'm not really a big yellow fan, but
Yeah.
I do like it.
Yeah.
It's like a bumblebee.
Right?
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. That's what this is gonna do. It's gonna sting like a bee when I come zooming right by you.
Alright.
I love you.
I love you too, you butt.
Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, the headlight. Oh, you want to sit there? Okay, that's fine.
You got nice grips on there. Snappy. Snappy.
What do you want, Bubba?
Oh, it's got zip lines.
Zip ties? Are those muffins good?
Huh?
Is muffin. What happened, Bub?
Ooh, it's plastic.
Jesus.
Oh my god, it's gold.
That's silver, baby.
Alright, now that I got those unwrapped. Alright, come here, my love. Tell me if it looks even on both sides. Because I don't want to have them.
Yes.
What's on my birdies?
Did you already take the rubber band off on that side? How are they going to rubber band? Fine. Right there, Bubba. Give her here. My mom's cup. Thank you. Oh yeah, look at this little. Look at all these tools. Look. Yeah, your knee flips. You're supposed to go out, not rub it and say, "Ow, your shit don't work." It came with all these Allen keys.
Wow. Came with a lot.
Where'd the back go? Yeah, let me see that. Look. And came with a Heybike bag. Put your tools in. Yeah, you probably got the muscles. You want to pick that up so I can? Honey, you want to try to come slide that through here? The bolt. I'll try to hold that. Actually, all right. Muscle man over here. Got it. Doesn't this seem way easier than what the 2DO was putting together? I mean, you just got here to see it, but. Screws are about 2 miles long, if anybody's wondering. And some long ones. Sheesh. Will you give me the Allen keys over there, Dad? Oh, God, I gotta lay on the floor like a mechanic.
I can't see what I'm doing. Can't find the hole.
Oh, my God, what in the...
What's he used to tell me?
Sam's Club is going on here? That was the magic word. Just say Sam's Club. Sam's Club. See, it worked. It's the magic word, brother. 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 Make sure you get over here, that Del Mare over here, new boot goofing. You see he's new boot goofing? You feel it? You give her a rub? Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought that was going to give me more room to get to. But look, see? That's what I like. Your control panel and all that shit is covered, and it's not all right here like how on the Tudio is. Everything's covered. Oh. Well. Is it the 13? Well, it's so nice of them to tighten everything up for you. Could have put the bike together and did it. Whew. Oh yeah, dude, that thing's definitely looks like it sets up taller. I do like it though. Do like the way it's set up. Don't look bad. Shout out to whoever tightened these up before I could put it together. That was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, it's definitely taller. Definitely. Are the tires the same size?
12. Which means the front's probably 14.
Where the hell is it at on this aisle right there? Yeah, 14. Is that what they
Same.
were on the Tudio?
Yep.
Are you even going to be able to get on this thing?
Wow. I was just wondering the same thing.
God, dude.
Well, she'll be able to get on it once she does sit down. I mean, and go down.
I am your light. Luke, I am your father. Here he goes. On the road again. She can't wait till she's on the road again. Let me guess, is this another 2 mile long bolt? Nope. About a half mile. I got a lovely job for you to do, babe. You know the foot pegs are your favorite.
Nope.
Look, they're stickered though, unlike the Tudio. It says right and left, so it shouldn't be hard. Might need to use your other phone to Google how they go together. Not me. Oh, right here. Look, that's nice of them. They already left it there for you. Sweet, thank you. Nope, it'll be this one. It'll be the flow bashers. Seems like a little hefty little fender. It's not all flappy like the Tudio.
Well, it is kind of nice though. They put the screws where the fenders and the light and all that go. What you gotta do is
I mean, that just seems
So it's
like
not like a
way
guessing game.
Yeah,
I mean,
you don't have to dig through.
Good
a
lord,
bag
because
and
that's what
find
we
them.
was doing with the
Well,
damn
yeah, I was gonna
Tudio.
say there
yeah.
are screws and stuff all over in the bottom of that box.
Yeah. A lot better pack.
Oh, you butt sniffers. I'm sitting here, I'm like, why is it not coming out yet? They put nuts on them. I don't think the Tudio had nuts on
I
it.
don't think
Don't
so
have a
either.
front one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it?
It's sitting up there. Jeez, man, that's a little
Dang.
It's not even a half a block.
Jeez.
Dude, we got twinsy bikes. We gotta get them charged and go do that TikTok trend. Now they come out of the gas station and they drop their shit.
No.
You haven't seen those yet? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to show you. We need to do it. Everybody's been doing it with their cars. I've seen 2 dudes come out of the gas station with their drinks and they drop it. They said something about their Ferraris or Lambos, and when it, you know what it was? Their lawnmowers, push mowers
Get
at
out.
that. Push mowers at that. It was great.
Oh, that's funny.
See? That's all you had to do. Just like that. Oh, that was nice of them. They got the bolts in that one too. How nice of them. I already put one in the front. It's on this side. Sitting there like, why is it not going in the hole? Is there not a hole there? Oh. Go in there, George. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks pretty sweet.